Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect Trust Wallet to Uniswap on Android. First, open your Trust Wallet app on your Android device. Once inside, locate and tap on the D-App browser icon, usually found at the bottom. In the browser's address bar, carefully type uniswap.org and press Enter to navigate to the official Uniswap website. This ensures you're accessing the correct platform securely. After arriving at the Uniswap website, always double-check the URL to confirm it's the official site. Next, look for the Connect Wallet button, typically in the top right corner of the screen, and tap it. A list of wallet options will appear. Select Trust Wallet from this list. Your Trust Wallet app will then prompt you to confirm the connection. Once prompted by Trust Wallet, authorize the connection to Uniswap. This step securely links your wallet to the decentralized exchange. Now, on the Uniswap interface, you can select the tokens you wish to swap. Carefully review all transaction details, including the amount and potential fees, before finally confirming your swap. Always ensure everything looks correct before proceeding. If you encounter any issues, first ensure both your Trust Wallet application and the Uniswap D-App are updated to their latest versions. Sometimes, clearing your D-App browser's cache within Trust Wallet can resolve connection problems. For an even smoother experience, remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This can help you stay informed and entertained while managing your crypto.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.